So the problem with this backyard before we got here, it sucked. It was boring, it was falling apart. It didn't flow for the client. They didn't have the entertainment spaces, the little vignettes to hang out. So we did this. Come on, let me show you the best parts. This, love the black and white vibe, right? We did a viscount white here. This is our signature kitchen, our aluminum base cabinet here, textured black, powder coated, pretty much bulletproof. And then we did a privacy screen back here. So this is fireproof. Important when you're designing a kitchen and you're doing something like this, you want this material here to be fireproof, right? With the heat coming from the grill. This, not a big thing, but it kind of blocks out the neighbor, breaks up the view, super cool. And to tie it all together, we did this rail top bar here. 2 people, hang out, morning coffee, right? Just a really cool space to hang out. Also a good place to put food out when you're cooking and grilling for people, right? And then we did this louvered roof here, right? Black and white louvered roof. We did the black Infratech heaters. Really worked out nice. But now check this out. This is my favorite part. Wait till you see this. Look at this fireplace. This fireplace came out awesome. So I'll tell you the things we were thinking about when we were doing this here, right? So look at this stone. This stone is marquee. This was a little bit of a stretch to put this stone on here. This took 3 days, all these little pieces in there, but this is a marquee thing. This is their marquee spot, right? It's one of the first things you're gonna see when you walk in this backyard, and it really sets the tone for exceptional, right? One of the other things we did here was, instead of doing a full fireplace, we decided to do a half fireplace because of the beautiful view from their kitchen window. So their view, when they look out the back, this didn't disrupt their view. And bonus, one of the really cool things is, check this out. This fireplace here, see-through fireplace. So if you're gonna do it, get the biggest bang for the buck. Now they have 2 areas to hang out. They have this nice patio here, which we elevated because it was a transition to the backyard, which worked out really well. But this gives them an open area. It also gives them 2 areas for hanging out, 2 different vignettes for chilling, and the fire is right there. So they get the biggest bang for their buck. They're already running the gas line. We're already building the fire. Putting a see-through, it's just a smart thing to do. Super cool. So then over here, we just have more patio area. We spread this out, so you have 2 different access points. This, they still haven't decided what they're gonna do with this. They have some furniture on the water, they're gonna lay it out. But really, they have tons of room here to spread out. They've got the torches on both sides, the fire in the middle. We're designing a building for 10 months a year here in the Northeast. And that's important because you wanna have that space, and really people love to be out here, but you're also leveraging your investment. So guys, I hope this has inspired you to do something really cool in your backyard. Think about things like we talked about here, the see-through fireplace, awesome. Pick out a marquee, something detailed on your textures, on your finishes. It doesn't all have to be high-end, but pick out something that's a marquee that'll give you that really high-end feel when everybody's looking at that spot, right? Think about the flow, think about how it all comes together. And I hope this has helped you, inspired you to build something awesome in your backyard. So hit that follow button, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.